Kailangan pala dun, sabi niyo.
Uy, ano yun?
Ano yung script niyo?
Sir, we have a fire in the engine room. The crew is attempting to contain it, but it is spreading.
Fire reported in the engine room. Fire alarm is active.
This is the officer of the watch. Fire reported on the engine room. I will notify the master.
Alert the master immediately and begin the firefighting procedures. Get the crew in position.
Understood. Go back to the bridge and instruct the crew to contribute firefighting. I will monitor the situation.
We're doing all we can to extinguish the fire immediately.
Start firefighting!
Sir, the fire is extinguished.